Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Miss Kaur, and today is the 18th of February 2020. And today's lesson will help you to finish pages 7 and 8 of your unit booklet. Pages 7 and 8 of your unit booklet. Okay, so let's look at what nouns are. So basic nouns are anything, all right, you see around you. Can be people, can be things, etc. And there are two major types of nouns. One is called countable, and the other one is called uncountable. So countable nouns are any nouns that can be counted. And you can tell if a noun is countable or not by looking at these few types. All right, the first one is called a dog, 10 dogs. So basically, you just add a in front of a noun and then add an s if it's a plural form. So a dog, 10 dogs. Or a desk, 2 desks. Okay, you just need to add an s. Another type of countable noun is to change a little bit thing here, you can see, into another form. All right, for example, a housewife. So the f will be changed to ves, 2 housewives. Or a knife, a k-n-i-f-e, to 2 knives, k-n-i-v-e-s, for example. The third one is a lorry, y changed to i-e-s, so 2 lorries. And the last type of countable noun is not to add an s, but you need to change the form. For example, a mouse, 5 mice. A tooth, 2 teeth. An ox, 2 oxen. Okay, so this is the other type of countable nouns where you don't add an s, but you change the whole word. Okay, and when you want to ask something related to countable nouns, you will ask how many. Okay, how many is for countable nouns. For example, how many boys are there? There are 2 boys. How many desks are there in 1D classroom? There are 33 desks. Okay, so this is countable nouns. Now let's proceed to uncountable nouns. Now, uncountable nouns obviously means cannot be counted. You cannot say 1, 2, 3, all right? And there are 2 major types of uncountable nouns. One is called material. The translation is here, something you can see but cannot be counted. And the other one is called abstract, something you can't see and it can be felt only. All right, for material nouns, there are rice, water, meat, bread, tea, soup. Basically, you cannot add an s, all right? And for abstract nouns, help, love, music, knowledge, hope, advice, you can't add an s, all right? And when you want to ask questions related to uncountable nouns, you will say how much. You may ask, for example, how much rice do we have? We have 2 packets of rice. You don't say rices, R-I-C-E-S is wrong, right? You should say 2 packs of rice, 1 bowl of rice. So basically, all these uncountable material nouns and all these uncountable abstract nouns do not need an s. Okay? Great. All right, so now let's go to our unit booklet, page 7. So we'll be finishing exercise 1 and 2. All right, so let's look at the vocabulary together. You have B-O-W-L, bowl, bowl. So I'm sure every night you have rice. So you'll put the rice in a bowl, okay? Bowl, a bowl of rice, okay? Pot, pot. So when you cook something together, like spaghetti, you'll put everything into a pot and cook. Next one, hour. Hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, okay? So 60 minutes for 1 hour, 120 minutes for 2 hours, etc. Red pepper. So it is a kind of food high and rich in vitamin C. You can see peppers in green pepper, you can see yellow pepper, and this one, red pepper. Ingredient. Ingredient refers to the things you need to cook something. All right? Stick, stick. Piece, piece. Tablespoon. So when you want to cook something, you can add 1 tablespoon of something. It can be a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar. Okay, tablespoon. Pinch. Pinch means a little bit. When you want to put some, let's say, salt, you can say a pinch of salt. Last one, vegetable. Vegetables makes you feel healthy, and they're mostly in green color. Vegetables, right? Okay, the next one I would like you to complete is exercise 2. Exercise 2, all right, which is in page 7. Page 7. Oh, sorry, page 8. Page 8. Page 8, exercise 2. You can see beef, pizza, dish, restaurant, food, sauce. You can have tomato sauce, you can have chili sauce, sauce, friend, soup, garlic, tomato, herb, weekend, which means Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so you need to complete page 7 and page 8. Remember, if you need to add an S, add an S. If no S, don't add any S. And if you need to ask a question, you have to decide whether to use how much, if it is for uncountable nouns, or how many for countable nouns. Okay? So if you have any questions, remember to WhatsApp me or Google Classroom message me. Okay? So please remember to complete page 7, exercise 1, and page 8, exercise 2. Remember, if you do not do it now, you'll have a hard time later giving the homework. All right, so see you tomorrow, and I'll continue with the countable and uncountable nouns.